All right, guys, so this was 1 orange juice concentrate in our Cool Whip. Bringing our bowl over. Just gonna dump all of that out right into our big mixing bowl here. And don't worry, I'm scraping the whole bowl, y'all. All right, and then we got some cheesecake, no-bake cheesecake as well. And we are gonna just put that in there right over the top. And then we are just gonna fold all of this together. This is gonna be such a cool dessert, guys. All right, and we got it all mixed up here. You don't have to overbeat it. Just fold it in real nicely. Be patient with it. So we're gonna slide that to the side. Then we have these graham cracker individual cups that we got in our cupcake tin. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take our ice cream scoop and we are just gonna scoop out a big chunk of that mixture right into our cups. Guys, I wish you could smell this. I love orange products, orange anything. Orange soda, orange slices, orange ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah, like sorbet.
Oh, okay. Sure.
Yeah. I love orange juice. I'm orange all the way up and down. All right, perfect. And we got some Ready Whip, some whipped cream. We're gonna just give each of these a dollop. If you're looking for a quick dessert for Thanksgiving or Christmas, or even Halloween, this is it. All right, then we got your infamous candy corn. Ryan eats these, y'all.
I ate one. I had like 3.
We're just gonna put that right at the top. Candy corn, you know, it's either you love it or you hate it. Y'all gotta tell me in the comments, do y'all love candy corn?
It doesn't taste like anything.
It tastes like regret.
Yeah, it's like cardboard.
All right, so when you get done with this, guys, you can pop it in the fridge and let it set for about 2 hours. All right, guys, so that was 1 big box of pasta. Then I have some cherry tomatoes that I halved. I'm just gonna pour that right on top. Then I got 2 pounds of ground beef that we're going to add. All right, so now we're adding a cup of white onion. Then we have some sweet relish. We are going to add about 1/2 cup of this, and I'm going to eyeball it, guys. That's probably about 1/2 of this jar here. All right. Next thing we're gonna add is some sharp cheddar. And I'm gonna add most of this bag because I love cheese. Then we have some shredded iceberg lettuce. All right, then we are going to make our sauce that goes with our pasta. So I have Duke's mayonnaise, and I'm gonna add about about a cup of this Duke's. Y'all told me it was the best. So I'm following y'all's directions when y'all say it was the best. You know what? We're gonna add a little bit more. All right, then we're gonna add about a half a cup of this creamy fresh French dressing. And this stuff is so good, guys. Oh, it's so good. Then we're gonna add some ketchup. This ketchup is at the end of the road. And that's about 1/4 of a cup of ketchup. Then we're gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. And this is a lot of pasta we are trying to salt, so it's okay. Then we're gonna add a little bit of salt. And then we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of vinegar. Not much at all. You probably need 2 teaspoons for this amount of sauce. And then we are going to mix. And y'all tell me in the comments what sauce y'all think this is. Oh, you know what? Gotta hit it with the relish too. What sauce do y'all think this is that I am making right now? It's a very famous sauce. And some of our childhoods were filled with a lot of this sauce. Look at that. That is perfect. So we are going to bring our salad back. We're just going to pour that sauce right over the top. There we go. Get all that goodness out of there, y'all. And then it's ready to eat. No, I'm just playing. All right, so then we're going to toss our salad. I've always wanted to say that. And you can alter your proportions if you are making less or making more, because this stuff is great for a picnic, or if you haven't, what's it called when you do it at your job?
I don't know. Potluck?
Potluck. There you go. You know, ain't neither one of us had a traditional job in a while. You probably ever.
No. Never been to a potluck.
It's nothing to brag about. Unless you love office potlucks, then hey, this will be great for that. So if you haven't figured it out, that sauce that we made was Big Mac sauce. So this is like a Big Mac pasta. And I'm just making sure I get everything from the bottom. And bada bing, bada boom, here we are. And I'm just going to give this a quick, I'm going to give this a quick taste just to make sure it's good. Oh, y'all, it tastes just like a Big Mac, but with pasta. It's so good. Y'all got to try this. I'm going to go ahead and make a plate, and I'll see y'all next time.